原编绘者裘纳坡余多，泰国。Original illustration and narration in Thai by Ganapayutta。中文译者静海法师。Translation into Chinese by Bixu Jian Hai。英文译者马德武、陈凤佳。Translation into English by Tom Ma and Caroline Chen。着色绘者李艳芳。Coloring by Yang Fen Li。电脑顾问陈宝川、陈凤佳。Technical support by Pao Chuan Chen and Caroline Chen。编著版权欢迎翻印流通，禁止盈利贩售。Copyright This ebook is strictly for free distribution. It is not for sale. 发行网站佛典妙供 Website www.sutrapers.org。 静海法师简介 Introduction of Bixu Jian Hai。 中文 Chinese 静海法师简介。英文 English Introduction of Bixu Jian Hai。电子书 ebook